Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm taking you on an exciting journey to explore the top 3 tourist islands in China. Buckle up and let's dive into this vibrant adventure. We're talking white sand beaches, crystal clear waters, ancient temples, bustling markets, and some of the most delicious food you'll ever taste. China's islands have it all, and we're about to uncover the best of the best. So grab your passport, pack your bags, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. We're about to embark on a journey that will ignite your wanderlust and leave you breathless. Let's go! First up, we're heading to Hainan Island, often dubbed the Hawaii of China. This tropical paradise is located in the southernmost part of the country and is renowned for its stunning natural beauty and vibrant culture. And let me tell you, this place lives up to the hype. The beaches are pristine, the water is crystal clear, and the atmosphere is incredibly inviting. Imagine this. You step off the plane and are instantly hit with the smell of plumeria flowers and the sound of waves crashing against the shore. It's like stepping into a dream. The air is warm and humid, a welcome change from the hustle and bustle of mainland China. It's a place where you can truly unwind and let go of all your worries. Hainan is all about those picture-perfect beaches, the kind you see on postcards and travel brochures. We're talking soft white sand that stretches for miles, turquoise waters that sparkle under the tropical sun, and swaying palm trees that provide the perfect amount of shade. It's a beach lover's paradise. Whether you're looking to soak up the sun, build sandcastles with your kids, or learn to surf, Hainan's beaches have something for everyone. The waves are perfect for both beginners and experienced surfers. But Hainan isn't just about lounging on the beach, though believe me, it's tempting to do just that. There's so much more to explore and experience on this incredible island. This island is also home to lush rainforests, towering mountains, and cascading waterfalls. The natural beauty here is simply breathtaking. You can hike through the jungle, zipline through the canopy, or take a refreshing dip in a natural spring. The adventure opportunities are endless. And let's not forget about the food. Hainan is a foodie's paradise, with fresh seafood being the star of the show. The local cuisine is a delightful blend of flavors and textures. Imagine this. You're sitting on a plastic stool at a bustling night market, the smell of grilled prawns and sizzling garlic filling the air. The energy of the market is infectious. You take a bite, and the flavors explode in your mouth, a perfect blend of salty, sweet, and spicy. It's a culinary experience you won't forget. We're talking about the freshest seafood you'll ever taste, caught that day and cooked to perfection. The chefs here know how to bring out the best in every dish. From steamed fish with ginger and scallions to spicy crab stir-fry, your taste buds are in for a treat. Each dish is a testament to the island's rich culinary heritage. But Hainan is more than just beaches and food. It's a place where ancient traditions meet modern luxury. You really can experience the best of both worlds here. You can visit centuries-old temples, wander through bustling markets, or indulge in a traditional Chinese tea ceremony. The cultural experiences are as diverse as they are enriching. And if you're looking for a bit of pampering, Hainan has you covered. The island boasts some of the most luxurious resorts in the world. It's a place where you can relax in infinity pools, indulge in spa treatments, and sip cocktails as the sun sets over the ocean. It's the ultimate in relaxation and luxury. Hainan is a place of contrasts, where you can find peace and tranquility one minute and be swept up in the energy of a bustling city the next. It's an island that has something to offer everyone, whether you're a beach bum, an adventure seeker, a foodie, or a history buff. There's always something new to discover. But most importantly, Hainan is a place where you can truly relax and escape the everyday grind. It's a sanctuary for the soul. It's an island where you can reconnect with nature, indulge your senses, and create memories that will last a lifetime. The experiences you have here will stay with you forever. So if you're looking for an unforgettable island getaway, look no further than Hainan. It's a destination that promises adventure, relaxation, and everything in between. It's a place where you can escape the ordinary and embrace the extraordinary. Every corner of the island has something unique to offer. It's a place where you can find your own piece of paradise. Whether you're seeking solitude or adventure, Hainan has it all. Next, we're hopping over to the Zhuhai archipelago, a collection of over 1,300 islands scattered off the coast of China. Each island has its own unique charm and character, making it a true adventure to explore. This place is like stepping into a real-life fairy tale, with misty mountains, emerald green rice paddies, and traditional fishing villages that seem frozen in time. The landscape is so picturesque, it feels like a painting come to life. Imagine this. You're on a ferry, the wind whipping through your hair as you cruise through a maze of islands. The sense of freedom and adventure is palpable. The sun glints off the water, creating a shimmering path ahead. It's a sight that fills you with a sense of wonder and tranquility. You spot fishing boats bobbing in the distance, their nets full of the day's catch. The scene is a testament to the enduring traditions of the local fishermen. The Zhuhai archipelago is a place where you can truly escape the crowds and immerse yourself in the beauty of nature. It's a sanctuary for those seeking peace and solitude. It's a place where you can hike to hidden waterfalls, kayak through pristine waters, and feel the thrill of discovering untouched landscapes. And discover secluded beaches that feel like your own private paradise. These hidden gems offer a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. One of the things that makes the Zhuhai archipelago so special is its rich history. The islands are steeped in stories and legends that have been passed down through generations. These islands have been inhabited for centuries, and you can feel the weight of history as you explore ancient temples, wander through traditional villages, and imagine the lives of those who came before, and learn about the local fishing culture. The techniques and tools used by the fishermen are a fascinating glimpse into a way of life that has remained largely unchanged. Speaking of fishing, the Zhuhai archipelago is a seafood lover's dream. The variety and freshness of the seafood here are unparalleled. We're not just talking about fresh fish here, although there's plenty of that. The markets are brimming with an array of seafood that will tantalize your taste buds. We're talking about shellfish plucked straight from the ocean depths, offering a taste of the sea in its purest form. Crabs scuttling along the shore, their movements a dance of nature. And squid as fresh as the sea breeze. The flavors are as vibrant as the surroundings. Imagine this. You're sitting at a waterfront restaurant, the sound of the waves crashing against the shore providing the perfect soundtrack to your meal. The ambience is simply unmatched. You're presented with a platter of the freshest seafood imaginable, cooked to perfection and bursting with flavor. Each bite is a celebration of the ocean's bounty. But the Zhuhai archipelago is more than just a pretty face. It's a place where culture and nature intertwine seamlessly. It's a place with a rich culture and a deep connection to the sea. The traditions and customs here are a testament to the enduring relationship between the people and the ocean. You can visit Buddhist temples that cling precariously to cliffs, offering breathtaking views and a sense of spiritual tranquility. Explore caves adorned with ancient carvings, each one telling a story of the past, and witness traditional fishing methods that have been passed down through generations. These practices are a living link to the island's heritage. The Zhuhai archipelago is a place where you can slow down, breathe in the fresh air, and appreciate the simple things in life. It's a haven for mindfulness and relaxation. It's a place where you can reconnect with nature, discover hidden gems, and create memories that will last a lifetime. The experiences you have here will stay with you forever, a reminder of the beauty and tranquility of this island paradise. Next, we arrive at Gulangyu Island, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that feels like stepping back in time. This island, often referred to as the Piano Island, is a place where history, culture, and natural beauty converge in a harmonious blend. This pedestrian-only island is a labyrinth of cobblestone streets, colonial-era mansions, and lush gardens, all surrounded by the sparkling waters of the Xiamen Harbor. Every corner you turn reveals a new facet of its charm, making it a delight for explorers and wanderers alike. Imagine this. You step off the ferry and onto the cobblestone streets of Gulangyu. The gentle sea breeze greets you, carrying with it the promise of adventure and discovery. The air is filled with the sound of birdsong and the scent of blooming flowers. It's a sensory experience that immediately transports you to a place of tranquility and beauty. You wander through narrow alleys, past colorful buildings and charming shops, and feel a sense of peace wash over you. Each alleyway has its own story to tell, each shop its own unique offerings. Gulangyu is a place where you can truly escape the hustle and bustle of modern life. Here, time seems to slow down, allowing you to savor each moment. There are no cars allowed on the island, so you can stroll through the streets at your own pace, taking in the sights, sounds, and smells of this unique place. The absence of vehicles adds to the island's serene atmosphere. One of the things that makes Gulangyu so special is its unique blend of Chinese and European architecture. This fusion creates a visual tapestry that is both intriguing and beautiful. The island was once a foreign concession, and the legacy of that era is still visible in the grand mansions, ornate churches, and charming cafes that line the streets. These buildings stand as a testament to the island's rich and diverse history. But Gulangyu is more than just a pretty face. It's a place where history and culture are deeply intertwined, creating a vibrant and dynamic environment. It's an island with a rich history and a vibrant culture. From historical sites to cultural landmarks, there's always something new to discover. You can visit the former homes of famous Chinese writers and artists, gaining insight into their lives and works, explore museums dedicated to the island's unique heritage, where each exhibit tells a part of Gulangyu's fascinating story, or catch a live performance at one of the many music venues. The island's vibrant music scene is a testament to its cultural richness. Gulangyu is also known as the Island of Pianos, and for good reason. The island has a long-standing tradition of music, particularly piano music. Music is an integral part of the island's culture, and you'll hear the sound of pianos drifting from windows and courtyards as you explore. This musical backdrop adds a magical quality to your visit. Imagine this. You're sitting in a charming cafe, sipping on a cup of locally grown tea, and listening to the sound of a piano being played nearby. It's a moment of pure bliss. The sun streams through the window, casting a warm glow on the scene. It's a perfect setting to relax and soak in the island's serene atmosphere. Gulangyu is a place where you can indulge your senses, from the beautiful architecture and lush gardens to the delicious food and vibrant music scene. Every aspect of the island invites you to experience its unique charm. It's an island that will capture your heart and leave you wanting more. Gulangyu is not just a destination, it's an experience that stays with you long after you've left its shores. Oh yes, I just remembered. I have included some great travel links for you to check out in the description below. You will find everything from resort and hotel booking to car hire and travel insurance. I hope they will help you save on the cost of your next trip. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey through China's top tourist islands. From the pristine beaches of Hainan to the charming streets of Gulangyu, we've experienced the beauty, culture, and adventure that these islands have to offer. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to start planning your own Chinese island adventure. Trust me, it's an experience you won't soon forget. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you in the next video.